Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Oneplus 10R. So if in this device you want to do the keyboard settings, or you want to change the settings, or you want to know about the keyboard settings, you can do all these by the method as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn about the keyboard settings in your device. Let's watch it.